to your morning practice. This is designed to set you off into your day feeling confident, clear, and stable. So begin by finding a seat. I'm propped up on a little pillow. You might do the same just to give an opening across the front of the pelvis. You can be sitting cross-legged like me, sitting on your shins, or even sitting in a chair, sitting in bed. Wherever you are, get yourself arranged with your spine nice and tall. You might take a couple wiggles of the shoulders or shake out the hands. So you can begin to find stillness. Please close your eyes. With your eyes closed, take one big breath in where you fill all the way up to the collarbones. Pause and hold your breath there just for a moment. Retain your breath. And then softly sigh out the mouth as you exhale. Let your lips seal and your breath start to move through the nostrils, moving in and out in a way that feels unrushed, unhurried. We'll begin with an awareness practice, a mindfulness practice to touch in on how we're feeling in this moment, on this morning, so that we can use that information as a way to guide our day, as a way to set ourselves up for success. So as you feel this lengthening of the spine, but ease in your skin, relaxation in the belly, let yourself breathe naturally. And we'll touch in first on physical energy. On a scale of 1 to 10, sense how you are today. This morning, this minute even, what is your physical energy? 1 being low, sloth-like, lethargic, and 10 being over-energized, maybe caffeinated, or somewhere in between. Continue to reside in stillness as you make this observation. We'll shift now to uncovering our mental energy. Using the same scale, 1 to 10, the energy of the mind this morning, where is it at? 1 might be feeling foggy, cloudy, groggy, and 10 could be feeling overly busy, thoughts racing, or somewhere in between. Keeping smooth breaths moving in and out through the nose. Identify on the scale, what is your mental energy? Shifting to awareness of emotional energy. On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the space of your emotions like this morning? 1 feeling low, depressed, down, and 10 feeling perhaps overly energized in that anxious sort of way. Body feels busy, body feels tense from emotional energy. Or somewhere in between. Allow yourself to remain still while you find that number on the scale that's true for you this morning. as you let the breath flow with ease through the body, note how your physical energy, mental energy, and emotional energy can all be different numbers on the scale, but happening at the same time. They might be very different numbers, and they might be somewhat similar, and they're all happening at the same time. The gift of our mindfulness practice allows us to see the big picture, to be aware of everything happening at the same time. Let's switch to shifting into a breath practice. You can keep your eyes closed, and we'll take a breath together, filling again up all the way to the collarbones. A little sigh out the mouth as you exhale. Through the nose, we'll inhale together for a count of 4. So breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Please hold your breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale out the nose, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last round. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe naturally. We awaken our awareness by sensing body, mind, and emotions. We awaken breath by using this box breathing technique. And we'll now awaken the body with a little bit of movement. You can keep your eyes closed or open them, up to you. Switch the crossing of your legs if you're sitting cross-legged. If you're sitting in another way, all good. Bring your hands on top of your knees or your thighs. Seated cat-cow to start. So breathing in, heart forward. Breathing out, cat spine. Let's go 3 more times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. This time stay in your cat spine. See if you can empty a little more breath out by hugging the navel toward the spine. Drop the shoulders down, but let the chin really move in toward the throat. Inhale, sit tall and bring your arms up with you. Breathe out, bend your elbows, let your heart lift a little bit. Again, like that, breathe in, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend your elbows. Interlace your hands behind your head. Take a little back bend, but think more of widening your elbows east and west. So it's just a baby back bend. Your back of your heart lifts the front of your heart. And then take your left fingertips down to the ground. Right hand on top of your head, let your right ear move toward your right shoulder. And you're really just touching the fingertips on the head so you're not yanking on the neck at all. Take 1 more full breath in and full breath out. Listen closely, release your right hand down, tent the fingertips and draw your chin toward your right shoulder. Take a breath here. Empty out. Draw your chin toward your sternum, so you're back into chin to throat. Walk your hands onto your knees, take a breath in, and then cat your spine again as you breathe out. Inhale, stretch your arms up, big breath in. Exhale, breathe out your mouth, lift your chest. You might lift your eyeballs. Place your hands behind your head. Bring the other pinky on top. Widen your elbows. Take a big breath in. Stay for your exhale. Release your right fingertips to the ground. Sit up tall and take your left hand to the top of your head, drawing your left ear toward your left shoulder. And remember, you're not yanking on your head at all. Take one more full breath in. Breath out. Release your left hand to the ground. On an exhale, draw your chin toward your left shoulder. Take one more full breath right here. Empty out. Draw your chin down toward your sternum. Walk your hands to your knees. Take a big cat spine, letting the navel hug in. Even move the shoulder blades away from each other. And then inhale, sit up tall. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank yourself for taking this time to start your day in a mindful way. And I'll see you next time.